Hey guys, welcome back. It's Alexa with Mommy Makeup. Today I'm going to be doing the foundation series of this 4-part series. You just saw the eyebrow tutorial, or if not, then go back and watch it. You don't have to watch the videos in order or anything, but it would be nice if you just start with number 1 then follow through number 4, but it's totally fine because it's all up to you and how you apply your makeup. But this is just how I apply my makeup. I'm actually recording this video months after I recorded that last video because there was a lot of complications, so I have to do my eyebrows real quick off screen, and then I'm gonna show you guys foundation. But before I do that, just want to let you know, if you do your eyebrows before your foundation, it's totally fine. If you do it after your foundation, even better. It doesn't really matter, at least for me, it doesn't really matter. I try not to, when I do my foundation, try not to press around my eyebrows too harsh. Sorry guys, I'm sorry if I'm moving, but I'm trying to rock my baby to sleep on her swing, and it's broke, so I have to manually rock it. But anyways, yeah, let me just do my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I just did my eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna show you guys the products that I use for my foundations. I have like 3 brands that I use for my foundation. They're all store brands, no high-end products yet. Okay. So basically what I usually use is L'Oreal's True Match Colors, E.L.F's Flawless Finish Foundation, and Maybelline's 24 Hour Stay. I also have Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation, but I actually stopped using the one that I used to buy because it was a little too light for my skin tone. And then another one that I recently bought is the Ulta Beauty HD Full Coverage Foundation. So the HD Full Coverage Foundation from Ulta Beauty I like, but at the same time I feel like it leaves me a little yellow, so I always have to mix it with my 24 Hour Maybelline foundation, and I have to mix it with the warm coconut color because I'm really bad at finding my right foundation color, just because a lot of the stores that I go to never really have any testers for me to try out, so it's just really hard to find a makeup product, see what fits my skin tone if I can't even test the product, and then I barely go out to the store anyway, so yeah. But anyways, so usually to apply my foundation, what I usually do is use a sponge. You could also use a brush. I have a Morphe brush that's supposed to be for foundation, which is the M439 brush. I like it, but then at the same time, I always have to go over with my sponge if I do use the brush, so I might as well just use the brush. And before I even apply my foundation, I want to put some setting spray on my face, and I want to prime my face so that the foundation stays on for a longer period of time and also goes on a little bit more flawlessly. So for my primers, I just use E.L.F. Their store brand products, so they're really cheap. I think I bought these for like $5 or $6 or something like that. And I have 2. I have the Poreless face primer, and then I have the Blemish Control face primer, just because I have spots some places, so it kind of helps with that. And then the Poreless primer, of course, to seal my pores. I usually just use the Poreless primer just around this area, and then the Blemish Control all over. And then what I usually do is I usually do my Blemish Control first, and then go to my Poreless primer, and then I use my Fix Plus MAC spray after that. so I'm actually gonna wet my sponge. I'm actually gonna wet my sponge with the Fix Plus setting spray to kind of blend my foundation out. And if I need to apply some more on my face, I'll apply some more too. See, right now it's looking real crazy. Alright, so actually what I do, guys, is I like to apply my foundation a little darker than my skin tone, just because I'm going to also end up contouring out. And I've noticed that when I do contour and I use a lighter color on my skin, it makes my whole face kind of lift up to a brighter color than what my face actually is. So I don't know if it's my blending technique or what, but it just really makes my face look really lighter than what it really is, and I don't really like that. Alrighty, so that's really it for foundation. There's not much to foundation. It's just that it's your base, so you definitely want to make sure you put it on correctly and accurately to your skin tone. But anyways, so yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe below, and also comment any other ideas you guys want me to do. Make sure you also click on the next video, which is the contour, yeah, the contouring video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Eric, shut up. They can't even see you in the back. You know that, right?
You said they can't?
No, because it's it darkens you out.
I'm just saying bye.
Oh. Anyway.
Deuces.
I don't even know if you can see. Wait, you're on this side.
It doesn't matter what you think.
There you are. You're so bright. Ew. I like more orange in your jacket.